we will be accessing the Raspberry Pi remotely. What do you mean by remote access of Raspberry Pi? It means that getting the graphical user interface of Raspberry Pi on your laptop screen or mobile screen without connecting the external TV and the keyboard. It will be quite convenient because the only devices that will be connected to Raspberry Pi is the LAN cable and the Wi-Fi adapter. For that you will be requiring secure shell network, which is actually a network protocol that will help us in getting the command line login of Raspberry Pi. Without going into the detail of that secure shell network, we will be requiring three major applications, and the link for the download of that application is given in the description below. First, client. Here you will be typing the IP address of Raspberry Pi. Xming and the Xlaunch is actually an emulator that will be helpful for generating the graphical user interface of Raspberry Pi, and the router assigns a static IP to a Raspberry Pi, and you will get that IP using advanced IP scanner. So getting started, you will be clicking to first advanced IP scanner, and as you can see I have already scanned my network and I am getting the details of all the devices that is connected to my internet, and the IP address of my Raspberry Pi is 192.168.1.104. After that you will go to Xlaunch, click next, and finish. Make sure that Xlaunch is running in the system tray. Then go to PuTTY, open that application, write the IP address of Raspberry Pi 192.168.1.104. Go to SSH X11 and enable X11 forwarding. Open. You will be prompted with a warning. You just have to click OK. Login as the username is Pi, and the default password for Raspberry Pi is Raspberry. You are successfully logged into the terminal of Raspberry Pi. To get the graphical user interface, type start lxde-pi. It will take a while for generating the graphical user interface of Raspberry Pi. And there you go, you have successfully generated the graphical user interface of Raspberry Pi. You can browse through the accessories and the programs in the Raspberry Pi. You are having Internet Explorer, File Explorer, LX Terminal, which is the command prompt of Raspberry Pi, Mathematica and Wolfram. So I hope you got an idea of remote access on your laptop screen. For getting the command line login in your Android smartphone, it is more convenient than laptop method because you can just check out the connectivity of your Raspberry Pi in your Android phone, whether it is working properly or not. You just have to download two major applications, namely the Fing and the Connectbot. Fing is like an IP scanner and it scans out the static IP of your Raspberry Pi. All the active members are listed, and you can see the Raspberry Pi's IP is 192.168.1.105, and you can even get the devices connected to your router. Then go to Connectbot, which is an SSH client, and it acts like PuTTY. Username at hostname :port. Username is pi @ IP address is 192.168.1.105. Port is 22, which is the default port of secure shell network. You will be prompted with an error. You just have to click on yes. The default password is Raspberry. And after that, you are successfully connected to your Raspberry Pi. Type ifconfig for more network configuration. You can also click on disconnect after you complete your all the processes.